Today we're going to talk about PunchMonkey. First, I'm going to hit the utilities because if you need to write NFCs, you've got this ability built into PunchMonkey. So if you don't know what an NFC is, don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. So basically, the thing about PunchMonkey is it uses NFC, QR, or just your GPS location to determine where you are. I am going to do a race, and I'm going to do a race that is really easy because I have a home course, and I've done it a few times. I add a team. I'm going to call myself Ron Eaglin 5. Next, and then I'm going to skip. I don't need a password, and I can start the race, and that should look kind of like a punch card. I can view the map right here. I'm on leg 1, and it does allow you to put multiple legs into a race. Not that you're going to do it for most races, but in Adventure Racer, there's multiple races. It does have, for this nice handy-dandy utility here, I can actually pull up a map of where I am in comparison to where the checkpoint is. I don't actually need that. Well, actually, you can see I am standing literally right next to it. But I'm going to go over here. I'm going to scan. I have a QR little dangle here. I'm going to scan it, and boom, I have started the race, and I'm off. Okay, start. You see that it checked. I can go all the way down to A2. I am now running to checkpoint 2, and I'm going to scroll up. There you can see that there's different types of controls. So like A4 is a bearing control. If I tap that, it's going to say I am 124 meters at 61 degrees true north from that control. And notice if I click it over and over again, that number will change as I move. Well, now that I'm A2, I can go over to here, and I have two options. I'm actually at A2 right now. I can check in. That'll use the GPS. Got it. And I can now go to A3. Notice that A3 has a little map feature too, which is basically a hint. And I can run down there and scan that. But I think you got the point. This is a race leg. The race is fun. This is like a punch card, and you can have a ton of fun playing with this game. I've made it really easy to make courses. I've made it really easy to run courses, but I'm also going to show that there's actually some ability to put clues, ability to say where the control is compared to where you are, for if you really need that hint. I've got QR codes, NFC codes, and GPS codes if you're looking at this really closely. But I'm not going to, it takes me about 10 minutes to run my little home course. I'm on 5 acres, so there's a lot of room here. But I think that you found this can be a ton of fun and easy to set up.